How to remote play on Steam. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remote play on Steam. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Steam. As you can see, I'm on my Steam right now and I'm logged into my account. So after you're here, what you'll need to do is tap on the Steam button that is on the top left. After you do that, tap on the settings, and after you tap on settings, you should find your settings option pop up. Now right here, if you scroll down, you will see remote play option. You can head over there, and after you head over there, you will see different options. So head over to advanced streaming options and you can set this up if you want to. So you can turn on play audio on host. You can change your resolution if you want to. If you use your NVIDIA GPUs, you can use that as well. You can, if you're on high-end PCs, you can turn off your hardware encoding, but if you're on your mid-range PCs, you might want to open this up for better performance. So after you do that, after you do all of these, and make sure that you set this up according to your PC's specs. So after you've done that, you can head over to the top, and if you are playing on another PC, all you need to do is simply log in using your account and you should be good to go. But if you're using your mobile phone, what you'll need to do is you will need to use an app called Steam Link. You can easily get it from your App Store or Google Play Store. After you download the app, you can just head over here, tap on pair Steam Link, and you should get 4-digit codes that is on the Steam Link app. Simply open the app up, log in with your account, and you should get the code, which you will need to type it in here, tap on confirm, and you are good to go. And this is how you remote play on Steam, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.